and nip slip. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Georgie, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a Pretty Little Thing try on haul. I have some corsets and a mini dress that I'm going to be trying on. I have tried all these on before and worn them out and things. I love them and I just wanted to share them with you guys. It's the end of the day right now, so I look like a mess, I feel, but I knew I wanted to get this filmed for you tomorrow, so I'm just going to do it. Let me show you what I'm going to be trying on. I have this beautiful green corset that I love. I have another corset, this burgundy one. By the way guys, I was loving this colour on the shop. Everything's like this colour. Another one that's very sheer and cute. And then a mini dress that I love. It's very, very mini though. So let me go try the corset on first and I'll be back in a sec. My ring light keeps dying, that's stressing me out, but this is the first corset. Like, look at the detailing. It is so beautiful from behind. I'm obsessed. Like, I will definitely be keeping this. It makes my nip slip. It makes my boobies look so nice and big, and I just feel like it's so flattering and so beautiful, and like nobody else has this. Do you know what I mean? Giving hourglass. This gets a 10 out of 10 for me for sure. It's such good quality. It's such an amazing price. Oh, one of the things unclipped. Just clip that in. Perfect. Oh, another one. Wait, you might have to breathe in this. But other than that, it's stunning. What would you guys rate this out of 10? See the ring light? I really need to start charging it before I do these videos. Well, let me go try the next one on. Okay, top number 2. I love the colour of this one. I think it's such a beautiful colour. I like the lacing. I like how it's not really sheer here. The buttons are cute. I don't feel like it's flattering though. I don't know. There's like no support. So it's just like, if anything, it's unflattering. I feel like it's hiding the top of my boob. If it was more like that, maybe I'd like it. I styled this with some leather leggings that you'll see in the thumbnail, which was really cute. But I just don't think I like love this top. It's just a zip at the back. Oh, ring light down. I would give this a 7 out of 10. Like, it's cute, but it's pretty mid, I think. I just don't think I love it. And it's quite hard to style. Oh, actually, it's not hard to style. I wore it with jeans for dinner. And then I wore it with leather leggings for some pictures. But I just think it's not flattering, whereas the other one was like, boom, here's some titties. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Okay guys, so this top I'm definitely going to be returning. Let me start off with what I like about it. I'm cycling the demo. I like the neckline. I like the lace. I like how it goes up to here. I love the colour. I think that's so cute. And I do actually like these lines and the sheerness. However, because of these lines, look how unflattering they are. Like, that is not my body. Like, if it was tight and stuff, maybe I'd like it, but it just boxes me off. Like, I think it's so unflattering. At the back, it's just like, meh. Like, it's just, I would not wear this anywhere because it makes, like, it's bringing out my ribs, first of all. It's just the, like, least flattering top ever. Like, I just want to get it unzipped and off. Like, even that looks better. Like, if it was a flowy one, I'd love it. But I just don't like the tightness and stuff like that. I don't think I like this one. What do you guys think? Like, this would be so much cuter, but that, no. I definitely am going to be keeping, like, up close. Let me show you. It's a snake skin, a dark, like, burgundy. It's so, like, nice and sexy. Oh, that ring light. I love the off the shoulder vibe here. Really cute. I love that here you can make it shorter by tightening this, like, oopsie, but obviously we don't want it that short. I think it's super flattering on the bottom. Like, look at that. Very short though. Let me turn the light on again. Like, it's very short. Squat proof. It's just a beautiful dress. It's such a good price. Like, it's so cheap, but it feels like high quality to me. I actually wore this out to my little sister's birthday and I loved it. It was so practical to actually wear as well. And yeah, I just love this dress. But guys, my ring light's dying and it's stressing me out. So this is the end of my haul, and I will charge it for next time, I promise. But yeah, let me know what you want to see on my next try on haul.